The problem with simply prompting an AI is that every time you come back to it, you're starting the same job again. Yesterday it worked, and today you want the same task done, so you have to start again. Frustrating if you're using AI for your work. In the next 5 minutes, I want to show you what an AI skill is and why it's better than a regular prompt for repeatable tasks. A prompt is simply your instructions that you give the AI to do one task at a time. A skill is a saved file, a saved instructions that tells the AI how to do the job again and again and again, the next time and the next time. It's simply a text file that is called a markdown file, but live inside your computer that stores those instructions to be used whenever you need them. They are similar to your project instructions or your Gemini Gems instructions or custom GPTs. All those tools are sitting in a browser and they have the instructions and they can do similar jobs. And the problem with them is they sit inside a single chat. When you create a ChatGPT project or a custom GPT, you've created a skill, but it has only one job in only one chat. So what's inside the skill? Very similar to the instructions that you'd put in your project. You have the role, you have your rules, you have your examples, standards, your process, and the format that you want the response from the AI to be in. For example, if you wanted to create a newsletter writer, you'd have the voice, how it's supposed to structure the newsletter. It needs to know who your audience is, the examples that you give it to show it what is good, even what is bad writing for it, and what's your call to action. So it has the format in there. And then it knows how to write drafts anytime you need it. You can call on it to write that. Also, if you want to create a skill that writes client briefs for you, it knows how to take your notes and understand your business to be able to write a client brief that is suitable to how you like to deliver it. Because they have specific jobs, I like to term my skills as AI assistants. Can do research, they can write newsletter, content, whatever you need from it, you can design a skill for that specific job. The difference between a skill and those instructions that you'd find, let's say, in a ChatGPT project or a gem or your custom GPTs, Claude projects, with a skill, you can call that skill at any point in time in different chats. Also, different skills can work in the same chat. You can have a chat where you ask it to do research for you, go online, research something for you, bring back whatever information and data it brings back, and then call in the email skill, a presentation skill, to use the information that the research skill has just brought back and create content based on that, all inside the same chat. More important benefit, I think, using the applications like Codex or Claude Desktop, you're able to now get those skills to operate and work on your files that are on your computer. For example, that research assistant will pull out information and can save that data in a specific file on your computer. So how do you build a skill? The good news is that you can ask the AI to build a skill for you. So you can literally say, I want to build a skill that does research for me. As simple as that. Of course, you're going to be much more smarter in how you ask it, but describe the job for it, creates its purpose, its context, the rules, the output that you want from it. You have to tell it what you want. But the goal is to build AI assistants or skills that do different tasks for you, for your business, for your work. So you could create a researcher, content creator of different types, a LinkedIn post writer, newsletter writer. You can have one that creates proposals for you and it knows the format that you like. Just tell it what you want. Show it the format, show it your work, tell it what your business is, show it your brand kit. Whatever relevant material you have for this skill, point it to that and tell the AI how to build it for you. Of course, it's more complicated than that in building skills, but you can go through an iterative process with the AI to build it. If you want help setting up your first AI assistant, I've linked to my free AI assistant template in the description below. If you want to see how I build skills and use them in real business workflows, watch my Codex playlist here. That's where I use my AI assistants and I build a team of them to help me in my work. And remember to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring more content to help you understand how AI can help your business and your work.